ultimate destination for smart investing. Welcome to Invest Ideas, where we turn your financial dreams into reality. Subscribe now and join us on the path to financial freedom. Hey there, my fellow moneymakers. Are you tired of buying stuff that doesn't make you any money? Are you ready to invest your hard-earned cash into something that will actually pay off? Well, you've come to the right place because today I'm going to share with you 5 different investments that can help you make some serious dough. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can you really invest just $10 and make a profit? Heck yeah, you can. It's all about making the right choices and putting your money into assets that will appreciate over time. Don't believe me? Just keep watching. But before we dive into the juicy details, let's talk about why investing is so important. You see, most people love to work hard for their money and then blow it on stuff that they don't really need. I mean, sure, a new phone or a fancy meal might make you happy for a little while, but it's not going to make you any richer in the long run. That's where investing comes in. Investing is all about putting your money into something that will generate income or appreciate in value over time. It's not about buying liabilities, things that cost you money, but about acquiring assets, things that make you money. And here's the thing, you don't need to be rich to start investing. Even if you've only got $10 to spare, you can start building your wealth today. The key is to start small and be consistent. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a fortune. Now, let's get down to business. Here are 5 stupid simple investments that you can make with just $10. It's important to note that investing in cryptocurrency is a highly speculative and volatile investment, and there is no guarantee of returns. With that said, here are a few potential ways to turn $10 into $100s using cryptocurrency. 1. Day trading. Day trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrency within the same day to take advantage of short-term price movements. 1. While this strategy can be risky, if done correctly, it can lead to significant gains. 1. It's important to do your research and have a solid understanding of market trends and technical analysis before attempting day trading. 2. Participating in airdrops. Airdrops are free coins or tokens that are distributed by cryptocurrency projects as a marketing strategy. 2. By participating in airdrops, you can receive free cryptocurrency, which can then be sold for a profit once it increases in value. 2. You can find airdrops through websites and forums dedicated to cryptocurrency. 3. Investing in low-priced coins. While it's important to be cautious when investing in low-priced coins, as they may be more volatile and less established than more popular coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, there is potential for high returns. 3. Look for coins with solid fundamentals and promising technology, and consider investing a small amount to see how it performs. Again, it's important to approach cryptocurrency investing with caution and do your research before making any investments. While there is potential for high returns, there is also significant risk involved. Turning $10 into $100s using dividend stocks is a longer-term strategy that requires patience and consistency. Here are a few steps you can take to potentially turn your initial investment into a larger sum. 1. Do your research. Look for companies that have a track record of paying consistent dividends and have a history of increasing their dividends over time. 1. Some websites, like dividend.com, can help you find these types of companies. 2. Choose your stocks. Once you've done your research, select a few companies that you believe have strong growth potential and stable dividend payouts. 3. Buy your stocks. Invest your $10 in one or more of the dividend stocks you've selected. 3. Many online brokerages, like Robinhood or Webull, allow you to buy fractional shares of stocks, which means you can buy a portion of a share with just $10. 4. Reinvest your dividends. If the stocks you've invested in offer dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, consider reinvesting your dividends into additional shares of the company's stock. 4. This allows you to compound your returns over time. 5. Be patient. Dividend stocks are a long-term investment strategy, and it may take several years to see significant returns. 5. But if you're consistent and reinvest your dividends, you can potentially turn your $10 investment into hundreds of dollars over time. One quick way to turn $10 into $100s using index funds is to take advantage of compound interest. With compound interest, your earnings from your initial investment are reinvested to generate even more earnings, and this process continues over time, leading to exponential growth. To illustrate this, let's say you invest $10 in an index fund with an average annual return of 10%. After 1 year, your investment would be worth $11. With compound interest, however, your investment would be worth $11.10, because the 10% return would be applied to the $11 you had at the end of the first year, not just the original $10. If you continue to reinvest your earnings for several years, the growth can be significant. For example, after 10 years of investing $10 per year in an index fund with a 10% return, your investment would be worth over $200. That's a pretty impressive return on a relatively small initial investment. Of course, it's important to remember that investing always comes with some level of risk, and past performance is no guarantee of future results. It's also important to choose the right index fund and to consider factors like expense ratios and diversification. But if you're willing to do your research and invest for the long term, index funds can be a great way to turn a small amount of money into a much larger sum over time. While savings accounts typically offer lower returns compared to other investment options, it is still possible to turn $10 into $100s through interest compounding. Here's how. First, look for a high-yield savings account that offers an interest rate of at least 1%. With $10, you may not earn much initially, but over time, the interest will compound and grow your balance. Let's say you find a savings account with a 1% interest rate and decide to deposit $10. After 1 year, you would have earned 10 cents in interest. It may not seem like much, but if you keep adding to your savings and continue to earn interest, your balance will grow exponentially. Assuming you continue to add $10 to your savings account each month and keep the 1% interest rate, here's how your savings will grow over time. 1. After 1 year, $121.40. 2. After 2 years, $244.95. 3. After 5 years, $628.89. 4. After 10 years, $1,367.29. As you can see, even though the interest rate is low, the power of compounding can help your savings grow significantly over time. find a savings account with a higher interest rate, you can accelerate your earnings even further. Of course, this strategy requires discipline and consistency. You need to be committed to adding to your savings regularly and avoiding the temptation to withdraw the money. But if you can stick with it, you can turn your $10 investment into hundreds of dollars in the long run. While peer-to-peer lending can be a great way to earn higher returns on your investment compared to savings accounts or bonds, it's important to remember that it also comes with a higher level of risk. That being said, here are some quick ways to turn $10 into $100s using peer-to-peer lending. 1. Choose a reputable platform. Make sure to do your research and choose a peer-to-peer lending platform that is reputable and has a good track record. 1. Some popular platforms include Lending Club, Prosper, and Upstart. 2. Diversify your investment. Instead of investing all $10 in one borrower, consider investing small amounts in multiple loans. 2. This way, you can spread your risk and increase your chances of earning a positive return. 3. Focus on high-quality borrowers. Look for borrowers with a good credit score, a stable income, and a low debt-to-income ratio. 3. These are the borrowers who are more likely to repay their loans on time and in full. 4. Reinvest your earnings. Many peer-to-peer lending platforms offer automated reinvestment options, which allow you to reinvest your earnings into new loans without having to manually choose each one. 4. This can help you compound your earnings over time and potentially earn even higher returns. 5. Monitor your investments. It's important to keep track of your investments and monitor your returns over time. 5. This will allow you to make adjustments to your investment strategy if necessary and ensure that you are earning the best return possible. So there you have it, folks. 5 investments that you can make with just $10. Now, I want to stress that investing always comes with risk. You may lose money, but you may also gain money. It's important to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. That being said, investing can be a great way to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. It's all about being patient and consistent. As Warren Buffett famously said, someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. So, start planting those investment trees today, even if it's just with $10. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one sitting in the shade. Thanks for tuning in to Invest Ideas, where we bring you the latest insights and strategies to help you make informed investment decisions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay ahead of the game. Until next time, happy investing.